it is worthy of a champion very much. And he's also really good at getting and catching the vibe of the song.
Pinakitaan ko yung mga inampalan ng kakaibang Jovi naman. Ang galing po niya kasi nung 16 years old ako, hindi ako ganyan kalakas ang loob. Kumbaga, good job talaga si Davey Bro.
The interpretation ng dalawa natin contestants was not really that impressive. I would suggest that they would concentrate more on the performances that they're doing. Ang napili namin was parang yung mas maganda na lang ng konti. Yun ang napili.
Nalo, kilalanin natin ang ating kampiyon ngayon. Ikaw pa rin ang kampiyon ngayon.